Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to connect your screen mirror Android phone to TV for free. So guys, at first you need to go to your Play Store. Then tap on the search bar and search screen mirroring app. Now tap on the first one. Now you have to install this app. And after installing this app, just open the app. Tap on Get Started. Tap on Allow Permissions. Tap on Allow. Now tap on Screen Mirroring. Now tap on Continue Mirroring and turn on the Screencast option. And then here you will find your TV's name and you have to select the name, and then your device will be connecting with your TV, and then your device wirelessly mirroring to your TV anything you do on your mobile. So guys, that's it. That's how you can do it. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.